There are functions everywhere. Height for children is a function of their age. It depends on their age. Temperature is a function of the date, in other words, the season. In other words, the temperature changes when the season changes. Mailing cost has always been a function of weight. Now, I know they have those forever stamps and stuff at the post office these days, but in the past, I don't know about now, I don't do a lot of mailing. It used to be if the weight of the letter or the package was big, the mailing cost would go up. So it depends on height, depends on the age of the child. Temperature depends on the date. Mailing cost depends on the weight of the package. We write functions with function notation. F parenthesis x. You read it as f of x. It's actually the y value. It stands for the y value, but it's a way of determining, or it's a way of expressing that we're about to give you f of x, a function of x. Or you could write g of x, or you could write h of x, etc. In this equation, y equals 1/2 times x minus 9, in which all the x's are faithful. We allow y, that's this guy right here, to wear his fancy function clothes. So in place of y, we write f of x, or h of x, or g of x, just indicating that this is y. F of x is the same as y, except it's just letting us know that all the x's in the ordered pair, represented by this equation, have faithful x's. Now, given this equation of a function, f of x equals 1/2 times x minus 9, find the y partner for x equal 10. And the way we do that is the y partner is called f of 10. Just take this equation, and everywhere you see an x, replace it with 10. It equals 1/2 times 10, which is 5, minus 9, negative 4. So once again, we actually found an ordered pair in this function, but we don't have to say it because they just asked for the y partner. But we did find that when x is equal to 10, y is equal to negative 4. So even though they didn't ask for this and we don't use it, we know that it's true now.